हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे जीएसईबी सॉल्यूशंस क्लास नाइन्थ एक्सरसाइज चैप्टर नंबर 1 साइज ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली। फर्स्ट है, यूरोपियन फेल्ट द नीड टू डिस्कवर अ न्यू सी रूट टू इंडिया, एक्सप्लेन दिस स्टेटमेंट। इसका आंसर देखिए, ड्यूरिंग एंशियंट टाइम इंडिया हैज़ एन्जॉयड एन इनकम्पेरेबल पोजिशन इन द होल वर्ल्ड ड्यू टू इट्स इकोनॉमिक, cultural and religious inheritance. Second, due to his people of different nations of world came to India, there were lots of demand of the Indian spices, muslin, silk, cloth, indigo, etc. in the European countries. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through land route and sea route, and at the center of this route was Istanbul in Turkey. Turkish Muslims closed this route for Europeans as they conquered the Istanbul in 1453. Since they could not do without the spices, the Europeans felt compelled to discover a new sea route. अब देखिए सेकंड, व्हाट रिफॉर्म्स डिड डालहाउसी ब्रिंग अबाउट। तो आंसर देखेंगे, डालहाउसी ब्रॉट अबाउट द फॉलोइंग रिफॉर्म्स। The first railway line in India between Mumbai and Thane in 1853 was started by Dalhousie. He started wireless system between India and England. He established public work department. He introduced English education. He passed laws to ban child marriage and advocated widow remarriage. अब थर्ड देखिए, what were the important terms and conditions of the subsidiary alliance। तो आंसर देखते हैं, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस ऑफ subsidiary alliance system were as follows. The army trained by the East India Company government will be provided to the state that accepts the system. In return, the state accepting the system will provide the army or give away provinces with equivalent income to the British. Without the permission of the company, the state will not wage war or sign treaty with other states. There will be one English representative in the state assembly. Other foreigners not to be employed in the state. State rulers such as Nizam, Mysore, Awadh, Gaikwad, Sindha, Bholse, Holkar accepted the system. अब फोर्थ देखिए, विच स्टेट्स वर एनेक्स्ड अंडर डालहाउसीज पॉलिसी ऑफ एनेक्सेशन। तो आंसर, फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स वर एनेक्स्ड बाय डालहाउसी डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लेप्से। एनेक्सेशन बाय वॉर, पंजाब एंड पेगू। एनेक्सेशन ड्यू टू किंग डाइंग विदाउट हेयर, सतारा, जयपुर, संबलपुर, उदयपुर, झांसी, भागत, नागपुर। एनेक्शन ऑफ प्रिटेक्स्ट ऑफ मिसमैनेजमेंट, अवध। एनेक्शन ऑफ प्रिटेक्स्ट ऑफ डेब्ट कलेक्शन, निजम्स प्रोविंस। एनेक्शन टू एंड अ नमकैसी रूल, कर्नाटका, टेंजोर। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल। उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, गिव ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द बैटल ऑफ प्लसी। फॉलोइंग आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल रीजन्स फॉर द बैटल ऑफ प्लसी। Sirajuddaula, who was impulsive by nature, was ruling over Bengal. He had some opponents in his state. During this period, under the pretext of security reasons, British built a fortress around the trade center in Calcutta or Kolkata without taking the permission of Nawab. Nawab destroyed it. When this news reached Madras, a small army under the company reached Bengal under the leadership of Robert Clive. But Clive realized that it was not easy to defeat the Nawab's army. He planned a conspiracy to defeat the Nawab. Mir Jafar, the commander in the chief of Nawab, and Seth Amir Chand joined him. Finally, a war was declared at a ground near a village named Plassey. In this war, Sirajuddaula was defeated. Due to Clive's treachery, the battle ended in just half of a day. Company got freehold over 24 Parganas and Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. Thus the foundation of British rule in the India was laid with the Battle of Plassey. अब सेकंड देखेंगे, एक्सप्लेन द इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द कंपनी रूल इन इंडिया। अब देखें, इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कंपनी रूल इन इंडिया के आंसर्स। During the 100 years of company rule in India, India became merely a country that produces raw material for England and prospective market for goods produced in factories. After a dual power policy, the glitter of the economic prosperity of Bengal faded. The unfair revenue collection policy by the company made the Indian peasant a debtor. The British government imposed unfair taxes on the Indian cloth industries. They adopted various fiscal practices to ruin prosperous Indian industries, because of which it completely collapsed. The Indian artisans were poor and unemployed. The company traders forced the weavers of Bengal to sign contracts for providing definite quantity of cloth in a short period. If the weaver refused, he would be punished by being lashed or jailed. Indian villages were under the company rule became dependent and poor. अब देखिए third, explain the social impact of the company rule in India. The social impact of the company rule in India. During the British administration, the spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed among people due to the development of newspapers. In Indian society, certain wrong social customs, rites, and rituals were prevalent. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Durgaram Mehta, Behramji Malbari, etc. were the stalwart whose role was instrumental in getting the laws passed with the help of Britishers. As the administrative framework in India was anglicized, there was demand for the people with knowledge of English. English education began to be imparted in India due to Lord Macaulay's efforts. As recommended by Charles Wood, University was established in Bombay, Mumbai, Madras or Chennai and Kolkata or Question number 4. Choose the correct option from those given below. First देखिए, who discovered the sea route to India? A. Columbus, B. Prince Henry, C. Vasco da Gama, D. Bartholomew Diaz. तो आंसर होगा C. Vasco da Gama. Question number 2. During whose tenure was the Public Works Department established in India? A. Wellesley, B. Dalhousie, C. Warren Hastings, D. William Bentinck. तो आंसर होगा Dalhousie. Third, which of the following statements is false? The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. The company got a freehold over 24 parganas of Bengal due to the Battle of Plassey. The company got the Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa due to the Battle of Plassey. Siraj-ud-Dowla was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Plassey. Answer होगा C. The company got the Diwani rights of Bengal and Bihar and Orissa due to the Battle of Plassey. Fourth, who became the first Governor General of India? A. Warren Hastings, B. Wellesley, C. Dalhousie or D. Canning? The answer होगा A. Warren Hastings. Fifth, with whom did the British fight the Third Mysore War? A. Tipu Sultan, B. Marathas, C. Nizam, D. Hyder Ali. तो आंसर होगा टीपू सुल्तान ए. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के हमारे यहाँ पर सारे आंसर्स ख़त्म होते हैं. तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मोर स्टडीज़ वीडियोज़ के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.